Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Aziza Ahmed, and I'm going to start the economic series for the first year and most probably for the second year of students to understand basics of economic in very easy words. Get started. The first topic we have is microeconomic. I have already explained detailed definition of the famous economics. I will put all these three links in the caption as well, so you can see what Robin says about the economic and what Marshall says about the economic, right? Now we are going to study deeply in the economic because economic has two types. The we can say that it has the two branches. The one is microeconomic and the other one is macroeconomic. These both words are too much similar, but the meaning of both words are totally different. First, we are going to study microeconomic. In maybe in the later videos, I will share about just only what is macro and what is micro. But today we are going to just learn in detail about the microeconomic. Let's get started. For example, you are going to the market and chase salad over the burgers. You have so many different choices to buy from that canteen shop, but you just bought salad over the burgers. Just imagine that scenario, right? Now, answer me these three questions. Decision you have taken in terms of buying a food for your lunch. As I told you before, that you have bought a salad over the burger. You have so many different options, but you just bought the salad. This is the answer of your what. Now, please tell me why did you choose that salad over the burger? What was the reason? It may be the vary from your choice, or you can say that I just wanted to eat salad. Maybe I am on the diet. There can be the many different reasons, right? Now, how much is the seller willing to sell for? What price did you pay for that salad? These three questions we cater in microeconomics. We study what individuals are buying. We study why these people or why these individuals are buying, and we study how much vendor are willing to sell these products or services, or it can be anything. Microeconomic, we study individual behavior of their actions. It consists of what, why, and how. Focuses on in smaller and individual level of decision making within the economy. And within the economy, there are three factors which play the mega role in creating microeconomic behavior, which is the first one is consumers like me and you. The second one is businesses, and the third one is government. As you know that the government is the one who set the rules, who set the regulations, who fix the taxes, and who analyze the public spending. The businesses are the one who produce goods and services for us. They determine the price and how much product should be. So microeconomic basically focuses the understanding of understanding of these three factors. The first one is consumer behavior. It means that what drives you to buy that salad, it drives overall us to buy certain products, right? And how much we are willing to pay and how we make choices between different options. Like you bought the salad because you were on the diet, or maybe you just like salad a lot. Then it focuses on business decisions as well, because it is where the companies decide what to produce, how much to charge, and how to compete in the market. And then there is the market interaction. Basically, it is very much important because it is something which determines the supply and demand of the products, quantities, and how the limited resources are allocating in the economy. As you know, the resources are limited, so how are we managing our limited resources to satisfy our needs? is what microeconomic focuses on the individual level. This I is supposed to mean the individual. We study very individual factors which are circulating within the economy of a country. I hope that is clear to you. Thank you for listening so far.